Welcome to the Cube Solver program. With the power of Cosiemba and OpenCV libraries, we can swiftly provide a solution for your Rubik's Cube. To get started, please take 2 high-quality pictures of your Rubik's Cube, ensuring that in each image 3 faces of the cube are clearly visible. For optimal results, make sure your cube has a black base and that the background is a single color. You may take pictures on a blank paper page and crop the images to display only the cube. Once you have your pictures ready, simply start the program. You will be prompted to select the 2 photos you captured. Finally, sit back and relax as the solution pops up on your screen. Now, let's watch a demo while listening to this banger.
Oh, spinning round and round, a puzzle waiting to be found. My program's got the moves, I'm in control. Gonna solve the Rubik's Cube, watch it unfold. Algorithms in my mind, calculating fast. Every twist and turn, I'm gonna make it last. No matter how scrambled, I'll crack the code. Solving the puzzle, I'm on the road. Pieces align, solving the Rubik's Cube, it's a sign.